Get when you combine British engineering, timeless design, and a dash of nostalgia? The answer is the legendary Ford Cortina. But what makes this car so iconic? And why does it still capture hearts today? Welcome back to Revamp Cars, where we breathe new life into classic automobiles and uncover their hidden stories. I'm your host, Your Name, and today, we're diving deep into one of Britain's most beloved cars, the Ford Cortina. From its humble beginnings in 1962 to becoming a household name across Europe, the Ford Cortina wasn't just a car. It was a cultural phenomenon, but like any classic vehicle, restoring one can be quite the challenge. So buckle up because we're about to explore the highs, lows, and everything in between. While the Ford Cortina remains an automotive icon, finding one in good condition these days is no easy feat. Decades of wear and tear have left many models rusting away, forgotten by time. Whether it's battling corrosion, sourcing rare parts, or dealing with outdated mechanics, reviving a Cortina requires patience, skill, and a lot of elbow grease. And that's exactly what we'll tackle today. Let's start with the biggest issue, rust. This Cortina had severe corrosion on the floor pans and wheel arches. To fix this, we carefully cut out the damaged sections and welded in fresh metal. Next, we turned our attention to the interior. While staying true to the original design, we added some subtle modern touches to make it more comfortable for today's drivers. Under the hood, we opted for a balance of power and reliability. By rebuilding the original engine, and here she is, the moment we've all been waiting for. After months of hard work, this Ford Cortina has been transformed from a rusty relic into a stunning masterpiece. This isn't just a car. It's a piece of history brought back to life. Every scratch, dent, and bolt tell a story. And now this Cortina is ready to create new memories. So there you have it, the incredible journey of restoring a Ford Cortina. It may not have been easy, but the end result is absolutely worth it. Whether you're a fan of classics or simply appreciate great craftsmanship, the Cortina proves that some legends never fade. If you enjoyed watching this transformation, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Revamp Cars for more amazing restorations. Let us know in the comments, what other classic cars would you love to see us restore? Thanks for tuning in to Revamp Cars. If you want to stay updated on future projects, click the bell icon so you never miss an upload. And if you're passionate about cars like we are, join our community by following us on Instagram and Facebook. Until next